Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this time of quarantine, we're chilling in the garage working on a hutch. Quarantine confession, I was listening to Nickelback, but because you can't have copyrighted music on YouTube, I had to turn it off. So, and don't even tell me y'all don't like Nickelback, because I know everybody secretly loves them. And if the world's gonna end, you might as well admit that you love Nickelback. And that you're hoarding all the toilet paper. Stop it. Anyway, guys, this video, we are going to get you up to speed on how this coronavirus is going to affect our projects and this channel specifically, and the automotive industry. And also, we hit 500 subscribers, guys. We did it. So we are going to announce the giveaway of the 500 subscriber Milwaukee tool. So stick around through the video to see if you won that.
Find a prototype, I'm taking it from the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm feeling late. Too much on my place, then they take a shit. Yeah, new sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing down. That's right, I run the game until my shoe is calloused on a loose gravel. Keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm bringing them careless, I want it forever, but I'm with whatever. Cause these days, I've been doing things my way. Hide away, make me feel this all on my face. Bitch, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way.
Got my Germ-X. Keep yourself nice and clean. So yeah, we're working on a hutch. You got Sammy wandering around. I wanted to update you guys on what this coronavirus means for the automotive industry and for this channel. So fortunately, I'm still lucky enough to have a job. So I have been going to work because the automotive industry has been deemed an essential business. Work has slowed down quite a bit. I do used cars, as you know, and the dealership has kind of started to spread the wealth around a little bit, which I understand. It's a hard time. It's a crazy world out there. One big hit that I did take was I had to close my gym. I run a Taekwondo school, and that Taekwondo gym is a huge supplement to my income. I only do it 2 days a week, but I had to completely shut it down. And because that's in a sense my business, there's nothing I can do about it. So that really sucks. And so I really wanted to focus on the motor for the Fox Body project. And we have a couple things left to buy. I'm going to buy a front cover. I need a water pump, a carburetor, head bolts, and new valve springs and push rods. Unfortunately, right now, money's a little tight, so I'm not going to be able to do that. So, you know, we have all this time because we're not supposed to go anywhere, and I'm not able to actually work on it. The hutch, I'm not spending any money on. I did not want to spend $5,000 for a Snap-on hutch for my 54-inch box at work, so we're making one. I will keep you guys updated on that as we go. It's going to be pretty awesome. I did also want to tell you guys, I did find a donor car for the A32 Maxima. I'll put a picture of her right here. That car, I'm not planning on doing anything crazy with. If you haven't seen already, super clean car. We're gonna put a 6-speed manual in it. My buddy Mikey, shout out to him, he lives up in Michigan, and I've known him for years at this point. I've never actually met him in real life, just met him on the Mazda forums for Mazda pickups, stuff like that. He's got access to one up there, so once the snow is gone and obviously all this coronavirus stuff is done, we're gonna go pick that up so we can put a 6-speed in that car. Nothing crazy, some nice wheels. Maybe I'll show you some wheel options coming up. We also did get a Monster Liner kit for the Mazda. So my plan is to take a Friday off and have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we are going to Monster Line, tintable bed line, the Mazda pickup. I'll put a picture of the pickup right here. I'm thinking about doing a blue, so we're gonna have a video where I'm up in the office and we're just gonna show you guys exactly what all the colors are and help you decide a color for the Mazda pickup. The pickup doesn't have any through rust on it, so we're just gonna grind down what's there, maybe fix a few of the dents. I'm not too concerned about that. And then we're gonna paint it all one color so she looks nice now that mechanically the truck is sound. So you guys, as you know, we hit 500 subscribers this week. We did it. And that is something, honestly, when I started this channel that I never thought I'd see. I mean, it was when I started taking this seriously about 1.5 years ago now at this point, I think I had 15 subscribers, and it was just like, man, am I ever gonna have, am I ever going to build a following? Am I ever going to have like a substantial number of subscribers on this channel? And you've got it to happen. And I realized that in the big scheme of YouTube, 500 is not that many, but I told you we are going to be giving away a Milwaukee tool. So we're going to go up to the office. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what that tool is and tell you who won.
Sammy, did you win the tool?
No, you can't subscribe because you don't have thumbs. Alright guys, so like I said, I know crazy world, crazy times we're living in, but we did hit that 500 subscriber goal, and thank God, because I'm sick of saying it at the end of every video. I just want you guys to know how thankful I am for making all of this possible, and I know on the big scheme of YouTube, 500 is like nothing. I think we're at 511 right now, but I just want you to know that I really appreciate it, and once all this crap that's going on clears up and we get a little bit more money coming in again like normal, we're going to pick up all those projects and get back to all that stuff. So last time when I did a tool giveaway for 15,000 views, we were in this same room and I just decided to draw randomly out of a bucket. Now this time I went through and I looked at all of my analytics, I looked at all the comments, I looked at who was really watching the videos, sharing the videos, I looked at Facebook to see. I spent a lot of time seeing who was really involved in this channel, because that is the stuff that helps small channels like us grow. So I went through all of those things when deciding who's going to get the 500 subscriber tool giveaway, and like I said, it's a Milwaukee tool, and this time the giveaway goes out to Monster Squash Racing. So Monster Squash Racing, you guys go check out his channel, cool content on there, and you are getting a set of Milwaukee wrenches. Now what I like about these is they're very similar to the Mac wrenches. They have the handle that's not going to cut the hell out of your hands when you apply crazy torque to them, and they also have that torque bite on the open end. So hopefully you like these. DM us on Instagram, Monster Squash Racing, and we will send you these. You get an address, send them to you. Thank you guys for making all of this possible. I really appreciate it. In these unfortunate times, you guys, social media can be a beautiful thing. We can all feel like, even though we're quarantined, stuck in our houses, maybe we're not at work making money, we can still feel like we're all connected. We're all in this together and we're all going to get through it. Once again, thank you guys for making us reach that 500 subscriber mark. It really means a lot to me, and it's something that I honestly never thought I'd see on this channel. So Monster Squash Racing, DM me on Instagram and we will send you these wrenches. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry from the sound wave.